In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Spacedesk with USB. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Spacedesk can be used to mirror or extend your main display. You will download a driver on a Windows 10 or 11 PC, and you download a viewer on any other device listed here, an Android device, iOS, Amazon, Windows, HTML5. So go over to their official website, and to start, like I said, download the driver. This is going to be the primary tool that runs on your main PC or main display, and you will connect this display or this PC using a USB cable with any of the other devices running the viewer. So, for example, if you want to download it on an iPad, you go over to the App Store and you download it here. Now, once you run the driver on your main PC, this is what you are going to see. First of all, make sure that it is enabled through the console. After it is enabled, you will see the connection methods here under Communication Interfaces. What you have to do is make sure that either USB cable driver, Android, or iOS are enabled. So click on either of these, and like I said before, enable them from here. So you can tick this checkbox here at the left of USB cable, Android, or iOS. There are some warnings about compatibility as well. Android USB on disables other USB cable applications like file transfer. Android USB off enables other applications again, and so on. So make sure that you read through all of this and tick the one that you are going to use. Now, download the Spacedesk viewer on any other device. For example, if you are connecting it with an Android tablet, download it through the Play Store. Inside, you will see this screen, and normally you would connect it using a network, but because you are using a USB cable, as soon as you plug it in, it should start right away. If it doesn't, then you can tap the USB icon or look for other options inside of the menu, and as soon as you do this, the new display will be used. By default, it might be mirrored, so in order to extend it, make sure that you go over to the settings here and you choose Extend these displays. And also you can position the second monitor anywhere that you'd like. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.